Hi everyone! In lesson 6, we are going to program BB-8 so that it moves directly towards this position. First, it is moving to that direction. This direction reflects the east block. So we're going to use the east block and we're going to use it several times. So if I count them, it's 1, 2, 3 blocks. So instead of putting 3 blocks like that, this one, instead of putting them like that, I can start with a repeat block and I put repeat 3 times, only 1 block inside it, and this is my code. In this practice, we want to move BB-8 this direction, which is the east, and then that direction, which is south. First, we're moving 1, 2, 3 blocks east so that we go above this one. So 3 times east. And then we're going to move down, but it's not necessarily 3 times, because if I run it, I will only have to move twice down. So repeat, and I change it to 2.